Solar applications beyond rooftop panels. The recently passed Inflation Reduction Act extends tax credits for solar installations through 2032. Homeowners who don't want full rooftop solar panel systems can take advantage of incentives on alternative solar technologies to reduce energy costs. This video covers solar applications beyond panels that align with government goals to increase renewable energy adoption. Solar lighting. Key players included Sunmaster, Halco, Westinghouse Solar. Options like security lights qualify for the full 26% federal investment tax credit. Solar lighting cuts outdoor electricity usage and has a short payback period. Solar attic fans. Key players include Natural Light Energy, Solar Star, iLiving. Eligible for the 26% tax credit. Reduce air conditioning costs by removing excess heat. Savings. Can reduce home cooling costs up to 25% per year. Solar attic fan kits start at $750. Solar water heating. Key players include Rheem, Alternate Energy Technologies, Apricus. Solar water heating systems can obtain the 26% federal tax credit. Reduce water heating bills by 50–80% with a system payback of 6–10 years. Solar shingles. Key players include Tesla, SolarCity, CertainTeed, Suntegra. Integrated solar shingles qualify for the home solar tax credit. Directly offset household electricity usage while replacing worn rooftop shingles. Solar windows. Key players include Solar Window Technologies, FAC. Still an emerging technology but eligible for tax incentives in some states. Generating solar electricity from windows provides long-term energy savings. Solar air conditioning. Solar thermal cooling systems eligible for 26% federal tax credit. Solar PV-powered ACs reduce electricity usage and costs. Key players include Lennox, Videocon, LG, Hitachi. Solar security cameras. Key players: Arlo, Visifoca, Hawkray, Recacham. Solar-powered security camera systems are eligible for the 26% federal solar tax credit. Reduce or eliminate electricity costs for operating security cameras. Solar awnings. Key players include Sunsetter Oasis, Draper Inc., Shade FX. Solar canopies and shade structures qualify for federal and some state tax credits and rebates. Install solar awnings over patios and decks to generate renewable electricity. Solar carports. Key players include Envision Solar, Sunwise Technologies, SolarCity. Carports with mounted solar panels are eligible for the commercial solar tax credit of 26%. Allows harnessing the sun's energy from parking space canopies.